What I will talk about today is the account receivable section. In the account receivable section, there are sales invoice, AR open item, AR prepayment and AR settlement. Firstly, I will start with sales invoice. As for the sales invoice, we will have a waiting list because the sales invoice will arrive when the shipment is completed. In this case, the DOs of the shipment that was made before must be seen again when making the sale invoice. If you want to change this from shipment to invoice, click Create here. As you can see, here are the invoice date, period, payment term, and due date. If all of these are done correctly, we can set the posting date, invoice date, and period. Then there will be due dates and payment terms. Next, you can add a description here. After this, you should check whether the amount, quantity, material, or discussion is correct. Then click the Save button. From the earlier shipment due, it became a sale invoice. And the status become release. Then the process of sales invoice is finished. Next is the AR open item. The AR open item is very clear. We can open the AR open item to see which invoices are in open status. For example, you can search by using filter as branch or customer code or project. If you set the filter as status is open, you can see the sales invoices which are open at below. This is all about AR open item. You can use the AR prepayment when the customer deposited as prepayment. I will click the Add button to create one. As you can see, there are types, branches, period and posting date which you can choose as preferred. In payment method, you can choose bank or cash or check. You can also select bank account. You can choose how much amount for prepayment. You can add the description here. You can choose which customer will open. After selecting all, click the Next button. In this case, you can check the amount whether it is correct or not. You can set branch, currency code, rate and invoice amount as you preferred. If you had attachments, you can be attached here. If all are done, you can click the Save button by completing the AR prepayment process. Here, the status is shown as open. After that you can click the Release document from Actions. Now, the AR prepayment process that were created was shown as posted in status. Continue explaining about AR settlement right now. AR settlement can be used when customer make a purchase for us. Now, you have to click Add button to create a settlement. There are many types you can choose. I will choose AR settlement since it is for payment. There are other things like customer refund and receipt voucher. Next, I will choose the customer that created invoice in previous steps. After that click Next to continue. There will be period, posting date, enter amount, hour amount, cash discount and difference. The balance is -300 right now. Since it is for payment, I will go to difference to integrate the account code. I will put numbers in debit because it is AR. After that I will click the Update button. You can see the balance is 0 right now. After all these steps, we had finished for the payment. Click the Save button to continue. After click the Save button, we need to release this AR settlement transaction. This status is open now. So, we can release it from Action tab. If so, the AR settlement transaction that we made together is posted now. As you can see, the status of the sale invoice number that we made together is showing as completed now. Here you can see, the ledger item is become actual. This is all about AR settlement.